So here is the fettuccine, just about done. And right next to it is the butter. Now, the butter is going to be enhanced with a cup of the pasta water. And that is why you cook the pasta in a very low amount of water, because now the pasta water has a terrific flavor. And what we're going to do is we are going to just stir this for about 3 or 4 minutes, making it a little reduced and a little creamier. Then the last thing we're going to do is put Parmesan cheese in and continue to reduce it down so you have a nice creamy texture to this, and it becomes more of a sauce. Let's take a few minutes to do that, and we will see you on the other side.